Good morning. I am beginning my laundry today. It's Friday and I'm lucky that I don't have a lot of laundry to do, so it will be nice and easy. I need to do my whites. I just have a blanket that I put yesterday to wash. And now I need this one, and I will use a little of bleach because my dog loves to jump on my bed. And now with the rain and everything, I get the bath. I use this one. It's an eco-friendly one. Not the most powerful one, but good. And we will put softener. One hand is no good. With one hand is no good. Now, let me press this, begin this cycle. We'll put to soak. And I got today from Amazon another of these ones. Need to put in the bag. This one is almost gone. So, how are my plants going? Look at that. Look at that blooming in winter. Look at this beautiful one I put here yesterday because I keep with water. Look at that beauty. We are still doing a lot of cleaning in the basement, removing things, building shelves. It's a lot to do. This basement, when my husband bought the house, came with all the stuff that you have around, so it's a lot. I want to show you something too. Look at this, the ice. It's been so cold here. I collect water from here too. Look at the block of ice. This water I use a lot for my plants. Yeah, that's ice. Good morning, look who I have. Kevin here, my little baby. He actually took me off from bed today. He made me go to open the door to pee. And then when he ran back, he jumped in bed, got close to daddy, taking all my spot, and it was no way to move him out. And then in the morning, so I left the bed very early. I ate all the leftovers of my panettone. It's so delicious. I wanted to show you how it's going here. Let me move this. So I got the yolk done, and now I'm planning to, I need to read if I need to do 1 or 2 lines or more. I have to do the complete part there. If you see the end part there, and this one is almost done too. And then I have to block, so it gets really good. It will look better when it's blocked. It's so cute. And after that, I have to wait for my yarns to arrive. So I went to look what I have. I have 2 of these blush color. Maybe I should do a very unique, only one color blush sweater. I wanted to put like a little brown on this one, but we will do it just, I don't have brown. And if I wait for that, it will take longer. So it will be just the blush color. I have 2, I have enough. I can request 3 more because I think 3 more is what I need for a complete sweater. Okay, what else I will going to do? Let me see. My husband and I, we are trying to don't buy a lot of the pre-made things and sweet stuff. So since I don't have more of my panettone that I've been eating like slices on my breakfast, I decided to do this. This is for a rainy day. This is my favorite Argentinian book because it has a lot of my country recipes and they are amazing. I got on Amazon, and I think this dog wants to go outside. You will never believe it. It's 25 degrees outside, and this is how it looks. Go play. No? He does this to us all the time. Anyway, so I have my ingredients. I need a cup of strong white flour, okay, salt, castor sugar, lard. I have yeast, tap water, 2 eggs I put here to get them room temperature, and then to fry it, and then I'm so excited. And this is something similar to, but I will go for this one first. Yes, let's see this. Okay, I need 500 grams of flour. That is like 4.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. So we will put, I'm using the scale here. $2.83. Let me sip a little of this. He's here. Noise in the background is the TV. My husband always leave that on when he goes out sometimes, also for the dog. And I guess to fill the house like it's not so empty. 95. 500. Okay. We also have to add on this mix 1 tablespoon of salt. So I have my salt here. It's tablespoon or teaspoon? Tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Of salt that we will sift together too. Sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Two. Okay, and flour, salt, sugar. That's first. So we will work on this. Okay, it's asking to, in 2/3 cups of water, I blend the yeast there. So we'll put the yeast, mix there. Okay, I will leave the yeast there. I need to add the lard. How much of lard? 75 grams of lard that I have to mix with this. So let's put this here. And I put in this way because it wants that with my fingers then I crumble everything together. 66 and very close. 70. 4. $75. Actually went 76, but I think it will not be a huge deal. So now we will use our fingers to make like a ones like that we do fine breadcrumbs. Okay, now I need to put the, well, it's not like really crumbs, but I think it's more than enough. With 75 grams of lard, I don't think that with crumbs. Let me get my machine here and we will proceed from there. Okay, here we have the yeast, the 2 eggs and the mix I will put in the food processor. I understand that it needs to go the eggs first and then the yeast, so we will do it that way. We will add this. Where is my spatula? Here. And we will begin to mix. Put the dough on this like they ask. We'll mix. It's like they say. I'm looking the picture and we have the dough here. Oh, maybe I need to mold better. And let it rise for 30 minutes. I usually use the proofing of my oven, but I'm trying to clean that. So let me show you. I'm cleaning, I put a little baking soda. I hope this helps to remove all these marks on the glass of the oven. I think it's doing good. I think it's ready. Maybe I can use now. We'll do that. Baking soda is amazing. And a little white vinegar, better. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's looking better. It's not perfect. But you know what? To what it was looking before, and that's the problem. My husband loves to cook, but he let things get a little messy here. So if I stop looking for a little time, it's when I discover all this mess. And I see the other side, but I think it's from outside. Maybe it's from outside, yeah. You know, guys loves to cook, but the cleaning part is not the stronger part. So I need to pay more attention to that. I am the kind of cooks, bakes, and I go cleaning on the way too. Okay, I think it's enough. I will put on proofing toast proof. And it has that option here. So when it's 80 degrees, I will put my dough for 30 minutes.